In order to install this mod, you have to have a legal copy of KSP program and the Making History expansion. So if you have Steam and you download KSP program via Steam, you have to check the following. Under Properties and DLC, you need to verify that KSP program Making History expansion is checked, and if you can, install a fresh, clean version of the game. Once you have finished, click on Show Local Files. This will take you to this folder that is the main directory of KSP program. So, under the guide, I have here the Steam default locations under different operating systems. You can check which one suits better for you. What we have to do next is go, this is the main directory of KSP program. We have to go under Game Data, Squad, and delete this folder. Just like that. Then return, and under Squad Expansion, Making History, we need to delete the parts folder. And finally, we return to the main directory and download the last release. So we click on this one. No, this is for developers. This one is the one. And once it downloads, as you see, this is also the main directory of Kerbal. So what we will do is copy all the contents of the mod and drop it under the main folder or directory of KSP program, just like that. And there you have it. You now have the SeriousPhysX mod installed. Under missions, you have the missions, and under the game data folder, you should have this folder named SeriousPhysX.